to another video. Today we're looking at the new tools from harborfreight.com. New tools that are coming out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make virtual review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much, we got a lot of new tools. Hercules, Bauer, new tools coming from Harbor Freight. And also the Bear, the Den of Tools, big shout out to him. He told us that we're getting some brushless tools from Hercules. So those tools, unfortunately, I don't have any information on that. You feel free to go to his channel. So just the Den of Tools, that's his YouTube name. So go to his channel, and he has a great video on that. One of the newest videos that he has. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got the 12-pound Hercules SDS Max type demo hammer. So yeah, about time we got some professional demolition hammers here from Hercules. So these are great, guys. I used to own the Bauer, which is like a middle grade type of DIY, middle grade prosumer level, you would call it. It was a great saw. A great demo hammer. I do have a couple of videos on it on my channel. Alright, so here's my channel here. We do have a miter saw that we just got. This is a brand new video, so go ahead and check it out. It's really, really nice. Alright, so this is one of the videos that I have. I do explain why I returned this one, but actually I do have a couple of videos like this one. This one's a great video. I'm not gonna play it. But yeah, there's a lot of great videos out there, so be sure to check it out. It's Bauer 3-in-1 rotary hammer drill bit, and I do take off tile. I do demo on my kitchen. Just imagine what you could do with this. It's a professional level. It says here compared to Bosch, so there you go. They're shooting at the best of the best there. You got the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic heavy-duty bottle jack. You got $29.99, not a bad deal. Let me check this one out. Hold on. So this one is recorded. Sorry, I do apologize for that. That's what it looks like. Really looks really nice. I like the rubber handle. Looks like I just had to check it out. All right, the next one down, we got the drum mount. It seems like one of the newer brands that they have. If you guys don't know what this is a drill pump. What this is you can connect your drill, and basically if you got a flood inside your house, or if you got some water you need to move from a pool or a small pool or something like that, you can connect two water hoses, garden hoses to the ends, and pretty much pump all the water from one side to another. And this is where you put the drill. And unfortunately, you do need a drill that's faster. It doesn't work with the slower ones with cheaper drills. Here they're using a Bauer, so there you go. You don't have to buy the most expensive drill, but you have to have a fairly decent drill to do something like this. So Bauer, it's the middle of the grade. Bauer's a great tool, so they're using this, and as you guys see, the water is just dropping like crazy there, with some pressure there, and that's the way it looks when it's connected. And they're moving from the bucket to the sink there for under $10. I think this is a great tool for somebody that needs to move some water in the house or something like that. You got the 588 lumen tactical flashlight, green. So I guess now they come in colors. We need something like this with comparable to what's coming out there. I know there's some lights from another brand. They're like ridiculously like 1,000 lumens, 800 lumens, and they are rechargeable. So Harbor Freight, we need, if you're listening to this video, we need some major upgrades on these lights. Not saying that these are bad lights at all. These are great lights, actually. Anything that's a quantum or what is a brown, anything those two pretty much flashlights or name brands are great. But yeah, there's new technologies it's growing, it's getting further out there. So you got small flashlights like this, having almost twice as much aluminum with the rechargeable battery there. So just something to keep in mind, Harbor Freight, if you're listening to this. You got the 12 amp 1 and 9/16 SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer, $299.99. Like I said, this is pretty much just like the Bauer. I would say professional. This is more like a heavy duty professional type tool here. It's a 12 amp power output motor, 2950 BPM, so beats per minute. SDS Max type chuck provides ultimate bit retention and handles toughest applications. 12 amp motors delivers adjustable 360 handle, shock absorbent vibration handle, variable speed control dial. So it does include 2 bits here. So you don't even have to waste on the bits, waste some money on the bits. It's already included, so that's a great selling point there. And it looks great. I mean, it does have some shock absorbing material here, so you won't, pretty much. Nice. Look at that. All right, let's go back. Then you got the Bauer 1 3/8 diamond grit hole saw. It's a nice hole saw here, $19.99. You got another one here. It's the 3/8 for under $10. You got a 5/16, and then you got a 1/4, a 3/16. You got a new Luminor or Luminor outdoor 24 feet, 12 volt outdoor LED string lights, $39.99. And then you got the Bauer. This is a new one here. You got the USB power source battery adapter to only $17.99. It does have 2 USBs, just like the Hercules, pretty much. It's the same thing, but pretty much you're just using the Bauer batteries there if you're on the line. Very handy little device. Got the Merlin pencil gauge. I like this with the black. It's easier to read. Yeah, way easier to read. $3.97, $27.99 for the professional continuous rim blade with mesh rim. 4.5, so it's for a grinder. You can use tile, porcelain, granite, marble. Chip free, smooth cuts, dry and wet. Long life. Nice. So I guess technology is changing, and Harbor Freight's trying to keep up with everybody else. Icon professional scraper and removal 4-piece, $34.99. That's from Icon. This is the professional line, by the way. You got another scraper here, professional scraper, $14.99. And these tools we already went over, so we already seen those. Anyways, just a short video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.